Hello student, I am Prachi. In the last lecture we see the practical number 9 and 10 of maintenance of electrical equipment. So today we see the practical number 11 and 12 of the maintenance of electrical equipment. So the aim of practical number 8 is that determine the dielectric strength of transformer oil and the apparatus that are needed for performing this experiment are: first is single phase 230 volt 50 Hz AC supply, see in the diagram. Then the circuit breaker and single phase auto transformer, voltmeter, transformer and test cells. So after this, see the circuit diagram. First of all supply, then circuit breaker, then auto transformer and the test cells. So this is the circuit diagram. Then the COs of this practical, that is the maintain insulation system of electrical equipment. COs means the course outcomes. Then the apparatus we see in the blank page. So the procedure is that. What is the procedure of this practical number 1 performing? So see this. First is the dielectric strength of transformer oil is carried out with testing kit which consists of a standard oil test cell. Second is make the connections as shown in circuit diagram. Third is first the oil is to be tested in taken out from the drain cook of the transformer tank its clean bottle. Then the observation table. This fill after performing the experiment. And the fourth point is that the test cell is first washed with fresh good transformer oil. Then test cell is filled with a to be tested such that the sphere are below the oil level. Fifth is the surrounding should be free from dust, dirt and moisture, and the temperature in the range of 50 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. Then increase the voltage value uh, slowly with the help of transformer from zero value till the breakdown between the sphere takes place. Result is that in this practical we did that we did the dielectric strength of transformer oil. And last is the precautions to be followed. So precautions are: don't touch the wire with wet hand. Second is do all the connections tightly. Third is do not join the wire to connect the two move then two wires. Then the practical number 12 is that aim prepare a report on the installation of transformer and motor. Course outcomes are: select various devices and tools for installation of electrical equipments and the installation of transformer. As the transformers operate without moving parts, generally a simple foundation is satisfactorily. It should be firm, horizontal and dry once installed and erected. The transformer shall not move or bend to so as to tilt over. Even small movement of the transformer is not desired, as it may break the electrical connection. Desired as it may break the electrical connections. Mm, Perfect horizontal base keep oil level. Correct perfect horizontal base keeps oil level. For installation large capacity transformer outdoor, a level concrete plinth is constructed so that its height is above the maximum. Then the installation of motor. A solid foundation of concrete provided for the installation of rotating machine is avoided misalignment of plate, proper mounting of the machine. The motor or prime mover common foundation. Usually the manufacturer put both the machines on common steel base. The size of the foundation is designed taking into the consideration the dynamic as well as static load. The foundation consists of following: first is foundation made by cement and or concrete, then the bed plate, third is the foundation bolts. The process concrete foundation shall be about 15 cm larger in both length and breadth. The depth foundation is decided taking into consideration the workplace, panel height, etc. The length of foundation is depend on the HP rotating. Expected flood water level of the site. The plinth should be of concrete size to accommodate. And this is the result. First of all, the facilities for maintenance. For first is the for big capacity MC trap doors with sufficient space for attentions. Adequate space around the MVC must be kept. And second is lifting beam management may be required. Third is for draining out oil from tank. The drain valve be located to facilitate drawing procedure easily. And then the ratings and depth. 70 to 100 HP, depth is 35 cm to 60 cm, and 50 to 75 HP, 35 to 30 cm, and rating is 20 to 50 HP, then depth is 20 cm to 25 cm, and when rating is 10 to 25 HP, then the depth is 15 cm to 20 cm. And last is the result. In this practical, we wrote a report on installation of transformer and motor. So this is the practical number 12. So today's thank you. If this video is useful for us, please like the video and share it to your friends, and please subscribe this channel. So thank you.